plywood got up and flew away, and I thought you were in the line of fire. That's what made me scream. So sorry about that.
I didn't hear you scream. So.
Oh, Thomas got really upset with me because I screamed.
All right, I'm gonna get closer to my coffee cup here.
All right.
What else has disappeared?
Yeah.
Should we Skype your mom? Oh yeah.
Oh, there goes the plywood.
What time is it?
Yeah.
She's awake. Let's show Ava.
Our internet's down,
Oh,
kind
it
of.
is? Oh.
There it goes. Whoa!
Yeah, the internet is not going to.
The plywood just took off.
Yeah.
During us, honey.
Whoa!
There aren't going to be places that you can She can.
Clara, hurry up! You still have like all of it left.
Here's an April windstorm in the Anza Borrego Desert. Tiles are flying off the roof.
The sand gets in your eyes out there.
God, look at the sand blowing. That is incredible. This is hurricane force winds.
You smell the puppy.
You know, we tried calling it. My wife put a cell phone number for her. Okay.
Yeah, see the line there? Yeah, you should have a hat on for protection from tiles.